this bolt and these two down here, which is what secures this whole unit in place. You can leave the brake lines connected. Very carefully lift this up and bend it back. These brake lines can take some bending. I've repaired this one, and you don't have to remove the brake lines. Otherwise, you gotta bleed the brakes. And you want to remove the module. Once you pick it up and bend it 90 degrees, you'll have good access to this black module down here. It's secured by 2 screws. And if you can see these 2 wires right here that go in, that's your power to the module. Where those pins connect into the PCB board, which is on the opposite side, that's where you'll want to make a little cut so that you can get to the back of this module. You just want to cut the plastic out, and then you need to resolder both of those power pins where they connect to the PCB board. Then you will have, you'll fix your problem. I have the same problem with this one. And you can't really see it, but you can actually just barely see that I've made a cut on the back side of this module. Maybe I'll take it off and show you. Hold on a second. Here it is removed, the 3 mounting bolts. There's 2 here, and there's still 1 on this end. You can see I didn't remove the brake lines. Just kind of carefully picked it up and bent it. And here's where your problem area is going to be. This is where the main power goes in. You can see I've cut a little hatch out of there so that I could get to the PCB board. Don't cut too deep, only cut to the plastic. And then you can get to those 2 pins and solder them, then glue the little piece back on. Now, you can remove, don't do this while it's in the car, remove this black module. See, there's 2 screws, there's 1 there, and there's 1 here. So this module will unplug so that you can more easily access it. You just need to unplug this 1 power wire. I didn't even unplug the main harness down there. You can leave that plugged in. Doesn't matter. You just need to unplug this 1 power connector. Undo those 2 screws. Take a Dremel or something similar and cut your little hatch on the opposite side. And you'll see the 2 pins where they solder to the PCB board. Just resolder it really good and your problem will be fixed.